Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the trading ticket and confirming your available buying power. This prevents rejected orders. Choose the symbol and mark it first, then pick order type, mark it for speed, limit to control price. Enter the exact quantity or dollar amount. Make sure decimals and lots match your broker. Once done, review the estimated fee and margin impact so you avoid unexpected fills. If something looks off, pause and correct quantity or order type before moving on. You now set the detailed execution terms to control fill and risk. For limit orders, type the exact price you accept. For stops, enter the trigger and choose market versus limit execution. Then set time in force, DAY for same day, GTC to persist, IOC to cancel partial fills, so your order behaves as expected. Add stop loss and take profit brackets to automate exits and double-check position sizing versus your risk tolerance. Finally, glance at fees and margin again before submitting. You finish by thoroughly reviewing the order summary. Symbol, quantity, price, time in force, and total cost so there are no surprises. When you submit, watch the ticket for status updates. Filled, partial, queued, or canceled, and confirm execution details in your trade blotter. If the order doesn't fill or is rejected, cancel and modify price or size, or check buying power and margin. If problems persist, contact broker support with order ID. This closes the trade loop and documents resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.